And so on behalf of the Dodgers and Bank of America, we would like to present you with a check for $10,000.
Right here, guys. Right here. All right, Jack. Here you go. Count, wait. 1, 2, 3. Here you go.
Yeah. Well, we're here to support the community. I've sat down with a group of ladies who were just telling me their stories with their connections to the fires. Most of the ladies were, their homes were spared, but a lot of their family members lost their homes.
Thank you guys, it's a pleasure, thank you.
It's been awesome. It's been a very, very big eye-opening experience. In 2008, my family and I in San Diego went through a big fire. Our house wasn't taken, but just going through, packing up belongings and boxes and putting them in a trailer, and we were able to actually get our stuff out. I lived that, and that was a super scary moment for my family and I. So I do have, a soft spot for everybody who's lost their homes.
Today, we are making a contribution to LA County Fire Department in the amount of $10,000. And in addition to that, the Los Angeles Dodgers are committing another $100,000 to the Los Angeles County Fire Department. Thank you all so much.